And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 25, verse 19 up to 21. Isaac was the son of Abraham. He was 40 years old when he married Rebekah, the daughter of Bethuel. She was also the sister of Laban the Aramean from northern Syria. Almost 20 years later, Rebekah still had no children, so Isaac asked the Lord to let her have a child, and the Lord answered his prayer. So, in this passage, this is a reminder to all couples who are watching this video, especially if you're not having a child yet, despite the fact that you are married and despite the fact you did everything. So, seeking the help or having an extramarital affair is not an answer for you to have a child. See? Having another woman is not the answer for you to have a child. The answer is to know your problem is prayer. Just like what happened to Isaac and Rebecca. Time will come, the Lord will answer your prayer. Just like what He did to Isaac and Rebecca. Yes, Isaac and Rebecca waited and they prayed for 20 years for them to have a child. So, just wait and pray, right?